But before starting our lesson, Hassan, I want to tell you a story about this guy. Do you know this guy?
Gumball!
Yes. Do you like Gumball? Yes, good. Gumball like playing a lot. Gumball like playing a lot. But when he come out to his room to play, he have a key. He have a key. The key open the lamp to play. Every day Gumball come here and open the key and the door is open. Today is open. Tomorrow he will go to play again and open the door and by the key it open. But today his key lost. His key lost. When he open his door, the light don't, the lamp don't light. So Gumball very sad when he want to play with his brother. Do you know his brother? Lion, yes. Now Gumball is very, very sad. And he started to
Crying.
Yes. And he cried a lot. So I want you to help Gumball to find other key to open his lamp. You have here some of materials. I want you to try to guess which material Gumball can use. Which material Gumball can use to open the light again. So each group will take this package and try to guess which material can Gumball use
Prediction?
to, yes. Let's do Muhammad. Yes.
We will eat the tuna.
No, we will not eat. So, listen Muhammad. Muhammad, in your lab, you have this material. You have 1 yen coin. This yen coin is Japan coin. And cola can, it's a part of cola can. Listen to instructions please. And you have graphite. Graphite. Do you remember the graphite? Yes, okay.
Graphite 0.8.
A part of chips paper
0.6.
and foil paper, you will find it. Charcoal and venture charcoal. There's 2 types of charcoal called. You will take 2 types of charcoal. Take care. The first type inside a paper. The second type inside a tissue. So you have a charcoal, one of them inside paper and one of them inside tissue. And also you have tuna can. Tuna can, yes. And ketchup paper, I will get it for you now. It's not with you, but it's with me now. I will get it for you. And also you will take water. But I want you now individual, fardi, alone, to guess which one of them can conduct electricity and which one does not conduct electricity. Okay? So, those. Okay, stop. Okay. Some of you say conduct, and some of you say does not conduct. Cola can. Cola can. Cola can. Okay. Graphite. Graphite. Different. Good. Different in opinion, it's good. Okay. Chips paper. Okay. Foil paper. Foil paper. Foil paper. Okay. Charcoal. جميل جميل كويس كويس قوي. Pencil charcoal. Good. Tuna can. Okay. Ketchup paper. Ketchup paper. Okay, no problem. No problem. If Sohaib, it is your opinion. Ketchup paper conduct or does not conduct? Ketchup paper does not. Yes. Okay. Water. Okay, good. Let's do our experiment to know what is the true here. Which conduct? What is this? Coal? Charcoal? Charcoal conduct electricity? Really? Really? Conduct? Charcoal conduct? Wow. Graphite conduct? Wow. And coin conduct? Which type of charcoal? On paper or on the tissue? Paper? On tissue? Yes. Also charcoal? Bencho charcoal, yes. Bencho, yes. Tuna can doesn't conduct? Wow. Doesn't conduct. Conduct or not? Sometimes conduct. Sometimes. Not always conduct. Why? It's too little amount of water. Pour more. Pour more amount. More amount of water. Yes. Good. Yes. Conduct. Good. انت موصل ايه بقى؟ البنش تشاكل مع الكاتشب مع الفويل بيبر مع الين كمان والين تحت يا ابني ليه. Okay, now after our experiment, so 1 yen coin. Yes, all of you conduct. Yes, thank you. Cola can after sanding conduct, but before sanding does not conduct. Graphite conduct. Chips paper does chips Chips paper. Show me again. Chips paper. It's your hand, Muhammad. Remember. It's your hand. Okay, so chips paper does not conduct. Okay, foil paper of the cheese. Foil paper conduct or does not conduct? Conduct. Okay. Charcoal on paper. Yes, good. Bencho charcoal. Oh, conduct. So there is difference between charcoal and bencho charcoal. There is difference. Okay. So tuna can does not conduct. Did you try to send it? You send it and does not conduct also? Okay. Catch. Where? After sending? The cup? No. Cup. What it? Yes, conduct. Yes, we have here group saying it conduct, but what is conduct? Ruqayya, listen, Ruqayya. The cup, this is conduct. This conduct. But all the can does not conduct. This only conduct. This cup is conduct. Thank you for this group. Conduct. Yes, good. Good. So also the cup, only the cup is conduct. Yes. Okay. Ketchup paper. After sanding. Okay. Water. Okay, but it conduct. So we have here some material conduct and some material does not conduct. Some materials conduct and some materials does not conduct. So can we help Gumball now? Yes. So Gumball is happy because you helped him to find his. Okay, group number 1. Muhammad.
Some material conduct and some don't conduct, but if we send it, it will conduct, and we predict some material light and some don't light. After experiment, we be sure of material light or don't light.
Thank you, Muhammad. Group number 3. Muhammad.
Today's lesson was very interesting and we predicted before experiment. After experiment, we discovered that some materials light and the other not. The lesson was very great and there were material lighted after sanding like cola can and the ketchup paper. And I thank Mr. Ahmed Hani for this nice lesson. I like science.
Thank you. Ahmed.
I love science because every day I discover a new idea. This idea is inversion and the biggest light is graphite and the point. In the future, I need a new discovered with Mr. Ahmed Hani and I helped Gumball boy.
Okay, you will higher? Okay.
Some materials are conduct and the other doesn't conduct. The cola can after sanding, which one is coin, the lamp will light.
Thank you. Okay. Ruqayya.
There is some types of coal can conduct electricity. Cola can conduct electricity.
Thank you.
Some materials are conduct and after experiment, materials conduct after sanding and some materials they conduct.
Thank you.